Scroll is very easy. It's very easy for everyone to deploy on Scroll. As you know, Scroll is a CK EVM. And we have a lot of documentations and guide about everything you need to get started. And if you are hacking on, so basically on Scroll. So today I bring you a couple of guides, so you can start deploying on Scroll. So everything that you need to get started is you can just add Scroll Sepolia to your MetaMask, and okay, so the wallet on Scroll works the same as anyone else. So you can just go to. We also have here. We can also provide you some. We have like some guide, so you can get started. You just need to change your RPC, and you will be good to go. And yeah, we're just going to go through a couple of deployments as an example. Let's just to test, like deploy just a small, like example ERC20 token. So you can just go and the same as what you're used to. Make sure that, for example, on Remix, you're on MetaMask, and that you are connected to Scroll. This is Scroll testnet. So what we're going to do here is just deploy a small contract. So this, as you can see, is a very this is here just like a demo. For example, I'm going to name it test token, and I'm going to print 1 million. We are using OpenZeppelin libraries. You can use whatever library you're used to. If you're used to Hardhat, if you're used to Foundry, you can use it the same as you will use as what you're used to. So here, I just deployed here. And you can perfectly add your newly imported token here. So here, yeah, this is like an example. Deployment is something that you should be used to. And also, Scroll, like I feel like, so as you know, the story of Scroll was born from the CK EVM project that targets to convert Ethereum into a layer 1 CK, which is something that is very exciting, but also not to do it in the short time, something that we may have to wait a little bit to happen. But Scroll uses the same code to make a rollup, a CK EVM rollup. So basically, if you like Ethereum, I think you will also like Scroll. That's why I joined Scroll, because I really like Ethereum, and I feel like Ethereum Ethereum and Scroll are very bounded in terms of the code, in terms of the teams. Scroll is the biggest contributor now to the CK EVM project with the PSC from Ethereum Foundation, which was the team that created the project in the first place. So so basically a lot of like Ethereum native projects have deployed now on Scroll. So we're going to go through some of them, starting with Chainlink. So basically, both on testnet and on mainnet, we have integrated with Chainlink. So if you're looking into hacking with Chainlink, you can also like use like Scroll. And for example, here we have like the current price of ETH updated. We're taking a lot of care of our testnet. So I think we're working very hard so anyone can basically integrate a lot of things with Scroll. So here also there is Uni v3, but I'm going to skip it. Just go straight to Aave, because Aave is also part of this hackathon. So I'm just going to show you a demo on like Aave integration. So this is a Aave smart contract, something that I think is very cool, that having Aave in your platform, because usually when you have projects that require staking, you would usually want to, yeah, basically it allows you to like earn money like just by staking while you're doing something else. So I think this is like a good addition to whatever project that you're doing, especially if it involves DeFi. So here in this demo, I just wanted to show you DAI. I have a little bit of DAI here on my wallet. This is testnet DAI on testnet. So yeah, I have 89 DAI, and I'm just going to swap it for USDC. I'm just going to stake it on Aave. So I can use this these functions to stake. So I can put the amount that I want to stake, and I'm just going to go to my DAI contract, which is this one, and I'm going to connect my wallet. And this is another project that I'm very happy that it's on Scroll. This is ETHScan. So if you're used to using ETHScan for verifying your contracts, or using just using the API, or just for navigating, this is also integrated on Scroll. And yeah, just going to approve my contract, my DAI, approve here, and I'm going to just deposit one DAI, and yeah, just going to approve. Here, just approve one DAI, and then I'm going to basically stake it. So here, just calling this stake function. In the background, it's calling the supply function from Aave, and yeah. And you can go to, once everything is done, we will be able to go to the Aave app, and we will be able to, so here, for example, Scroll, as you can see, is fully integrated on Aave, also on the front end. So we're going to see our new supply token. So here, I'm going to supply. So, and yeah, once this is confirmed, we should be able to see the supply token here. So yeah, many projects coming to Scroll, many projects that are on the hackathon are already on Scroll that you can integrate. I'm going to share a cheat sheet for other projects that you can integrate with. And yeah, as you can see here, this is the DAI that I just applied. So yes, just a lot of tools that you can play around with. We have also other demo that I wanted to show you is the Aztec Noir demo. So this is like the example Noir, the demo that Noir gives you like as your first smart contract. So yeah, so here we're just like proving that X and Y are different numbers without revealing one number. Very simple example, but how can you connect Noir from Aztec with Scroll or any other EVM projects? So basically on Noir, you can generate your circuits with zero knowledge, and then it will generate a smart contract on Solidity that you can deploy in Scroll or anywhere else. And then you can just generate the proof in your browser using WASM, which is very cool. We can generate now proofs on our browser, which is very ideal for user experience. And then you can, this is the proof here. This proof, you can submit it to a blockchain to verify that the computation was done correctly. And of course, we can do it on Scroll. And here, I'm just going to confirm. So far, I verified 6. This is like full on Solidity code. We can go through the code if you're interested. And yeah, so basically, I'm just going to update a counter in a Solidity contract if it succeeded. So yeah, now it was proven. So yeah, different different stuff. So I just want to show you one last thing. So what you need to start working on developing on Scroll now is basically just testnet it. We have faucets, and we also have this is quite cool. So we have faucets, and we also have and the RPC provider. That's the only thing that you need. If you're interested, we can pass by our booth, just getting one of these, or just grab some from me. And the other thing that I would like you to see is our cheat sheet. So basically, all the projects that are here on the hackathon that are integrated with Scroll. For example, we have we have the graph integrated with both Scroll testnet and mainnet. You can start indexing your contract with the Graph Studio now on Scroll. Chainlink, we have Private, you can use it too. Safe, we have Safe, both Safe, the safes, and also the Safe Factory, so you can deploy, and also a front end for the Safe. And also we have the API, the service API. So yeah, you can give users good user experience. We also have some tutorials, a lot of tutorials with Noir, like the one that I showed you. We also, like, if you're interested in CK, and don't want to use Noir, we also have tested Socrates and Circom, and works perfectly fine on Scroll. So yeah, we also have other projects that we have them if you are interested, like in deploying, like doing integration on Scroll, because as you know, Scroll is it's open source, it's EVM, so it's like you can do the things that you're used to. So, and also we have some guides about verifying our contracts. For our Scroll bounty, you can apply by just deploying whatever contract that you think it's a good idea, it's interesting, whatever that you want. And the only thing that we ask you to do is just basically deploy on Scroll and verify your contracts. So yeah, I went very rushing here in this. I just rushed to it just for our technical issues. But I don't know if you guys have any questions or something that you want to share, or yeah, I don't know if any questions so far. All good. Okay, thank you guys.